Is there an issue with your plumbing that's causing problems for your family? Hidden leaks and dripping faucets can skyrocket your water bills as well as seriously damage your house. So, when you have a water leak, a blocked sink, or toilet system, you need a plumber you can call who's not only going to turn up on time, but a plumber who will fix the problem quickly and get the job done efficiently, using quality materials and at a reasonable cost. Our fully qualified plumbing technicians provide a rapid response and skilled service for all your plumbing needs. So don't let plumbing problems play havoc with your life. Contact us today and we'll flush them down the drain for you.